I got through, but it seems like I left explodey boom boom. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I got the explodey boom boom, run!
He
Explodey
got me.
boom boom!
He has 2 heads. See that yet?
You can just... Oh, careful.
Seems like it.
I got some spears.
Fuck.
I got his mask.
I missed. Miserable. It's fine.
Got him again.
Got him.
I mean... Technically, I guess, but... Hello.
Oh, that's the guy. Oh!
So I think this
He
is the
did
first
that?
time you're seeing that. Oh, throw! Oh.
He's a bit electro boy.
So yeah, that's a leap lizard. Lizards that can jump.
I remember.
Is that who I think it is?
That is indeed who you think it is.
Is that hit rapper and artist Pablo? Oh. I think he also wants to go out here.
Oh no!
Oh no! What? Where did they go? What?
What the fuck?
Wait, where did that guy come from?
Get away! Get away! Get down, Mr. Obama! I'm gonna throw. Oh, okay.
What the fuck just happened?
That was.
Oh, that's so sick! I just realized what happened. No. I just realized what happened. I think there is a bug in this game. It's a very strange bug. Where if a spear, if you're holding a spear that has a bat in it, right? Like right now.
Yeah.
And you throw a spear. Oh, it's still gonna happen. Yeah. And you throw. Oh shit! Are you stuck? Go out. And you. So what's happening is that if you're holding a spear, right, with a thing in it, and then you also throw another spear into a lizard, then every time you change the screens, the lizard spawns with you. And for some reason, I also happen to do that. I don't know why that happens. So I guess we're just bringing this dead corpse with us.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh, let's go. Hey, it's green now.
I guess there's no... Oh. That is a vulture, though.
Alright, we gotta kill him now. Oh, the sink. Oh. Don't scare me like that.
It's funny.
Usually that's... I just...
Oh.
Oh, boom, boom.
It didn't roll.
That is such a good throw. You needed to throw it right after you jumped. And look at that. Right after he jumped, he threw. That is... I am amazed. You don't even know. How are you able to do such things? It's genuinely impressive.
I just had auto aim, man.
Yeah?
What can I say? I'm really good at this game.
You're really good at killing me.
I'm good at PvP when it's PvE.
You get the boom boom, I get more spear. Okay, and now I can grab the spear bag. There we go. Let's go. I got the spear bag. Oh shit. Fuck, there's so much chaos in here. Holy shit.
I love this one.
This is a great area. Oh, you're eating. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I have no spears either.
Oh, yeah, okay. If anything, we got the spear bag, but for now...
Oh man, you got some...
Into the spear collection it goes.
Dang.
You'll get some later. If anything, I can just, you can just yoink off of me.
True.
I'll be the spear master, the spear collector. You know how the scavengers like collect fucking pearls? I collect spears into one bag.
Yes, of course.
Hey, fun fact, there is a spear up there. You think you can get through the bag? There you go. Okay, now I pick up the spear. I take cha.
Yeah.
Just stand.
Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna have some spears if you fall off, okay? So you can throw them and climb back out. Alright, now let me do the jump.
Okay.
This is a plan. Okay, you did it. You don't have a mask. Just long jump. Long jump. Long jump. Long jump. The spear bag. No. Okay. Is it already getting dark?
Yeah, we gotta go. How the
okay, I'm just going. You
yeah,
try.
Go.
Oh, actually, no. I need to do a backflip. I need to do a backflip. Okay, you need to throw both things after long jumping. Just long jump and throw both things. You can do it.
Come on, I can do this.
No.
Why am I not backflipping?
You can do it.
Bruh. Okay, fine, I'm long jumping.
And throw both things instantly after jump. No.
I don't think I need to
throw quicker. Go. See what's there. Holy shit.